So whether you are a marketer or an entrepreneur, there's one fundamental truth of business, of marketing that you must understand. And that is that trust is the cornerstone of your business. Trust is the cornerstone of all your marketing effort. You see, if you have no trust, you will never be able to sell anything, no matter how good your product, no matter how good your service. And depending on the level of trust, your sales will go up and down. The more trust you have with the marketplace, the more sales you will make. And as the consumer's trust grows in your business, they will allow you to market to them even more. So trust is essential. Trust is a huge component of building your business, building your brand, of generating revenue, of growing your revenue. With that, in this video, I want to talk to you about how to build trust with your audience, with the 3 key components of building trust. And this all comes from the book, The Permission Marketing by Seth Godin. Your job as an entrepreneur, in many ways, is to build trust with your audience so they will buy from you. And one of the things you will understand, especially in the online business, is that fundamentally there are 2 pillars of sales when it comes to online business. If you can manage to figure out these 2 pillars in your marketing, you will be able to sell much better. First is trust, and second is urgency. If you can get people to trust in your product, in your service, in the fact that you can get them the results they want, if you can get them to trust, and you can offer them something with a specific deadline, with a specific urgency, you're going to make tremendous amounts of sale. You're going to make a lot of money. You're going to grow your business very powerfully. But if there's no trust, it's going to be really, really, really hard to sell. So remember, trust is the cornerstone of marketing. If you can build trust, you will sell, you will generate a lot of money. And if you think about it, if you think about everything you bought in the past, it's because of these 2 elements. I mean, everything, it's entirely possible there are things you buy from Amazon rather than from some other random online retailer, just because you have so much more trust in Amazon. Even if the other retailer's price was lower than Amazon, you would still buy from Amazon just because you trust them. So trust is huge in growing your business. And in the book, Permission Marketing, Seth Godin talks about this idea that the easiest way to build trust is to use permission marketing. What is permission marketing? Permission marketing is something as simple as getting the permission from the consumer, from the prospect, to be able to communicate with them. When you give your email address, when you sign up for an email list, or when you subscribe to even this YouTube channel or podcast, you're watching this because I have your permission to be on your feed right now and to be in your ears or in front of your eyes sharing this information with you. This is permission marketing happening as we speak. As I'm explaining to you, I am actually using the principles of permission marketing to get to you, to talk to you. And permission marketing is what allows you to build trust with your audience, because when someone signs up for a lead magnet on your website, let's say you sign up for a lead magnet on our website on the top 10 marketing books of all time, and you go grab the list of the top 10 marketing books, and then you delve into it. I teach you more about marketing. And then at some point I say, hey, by the way, if you want to get summaries of the 50 greatest books on marketing, here we are. Here are these summaries available. You're much more likely to buy from us because we gained your permission. You gave us your email address in order to get the list of the top 10 marketing books, and that relationship began. I began to educate you. Before we jump into the video, I just want to tell you about our special Black Friday deal for entrepreneurs. If you are interested in grabbing the summaries of the 100 greatest books on starting, growing, and scaling your business, which is basically a combination of our entrepreneurship pack and our marketing book summaries pack. And not only that, there are 4 live masterclasses included in it. Just go to 2000books.com/business and enter the coupon code BF2020. That's the Black Friday deal. This is $902 in value that I'm giving away for a really discounted rate. So check it out. There's a content marketing millions masterclass, 6-figure affiliate deals masterclass, YouTube cash machine masterclass, 6-figure email marketing masterclass. I'll be teaching all of these classes live. Not only that, you get access to 12 months of our Business Builders Book Club, where you get to come together with other like-minded entrepreneurs and discuss great business books. Every month there's a new book that you will be discussing. So if you're interested in all of that, head on over to 2000books.com/business and grab a super Black Friday discount on this Business Builders pack. just make sure to use the coupon code BF2020, BF2020. All right, guys. So with that understanding of permission marketing, let's talk about the 3 components of building trust in your permission marketing using the power of permission marketing. The first component is frequency. How frequently can you get in front of your audience to communicate with them? Because frequency of communication builds trust. The more frequently you can reach out to someone, the more frequently you can communicate with them, the more awareness you build. Over time, it leads to familiarity with them. And over time, that leads to trust. So permission allows you to connect with your prospects, with your leads frequently and for free. For example, when you see my emails in your inbox, or when you watch this YouTube video, or when you're listening to this podcast, it's all happening for free. I haven't had to pay a dime in order to get this message in front of you right now. Right? It's for free. You are listening to this because you are interested in this. And this permission is allowing me to connect with you frequently. You listen to this podcast frequently. You watch this YouTube channel frequently. And over time, it builds trust. And the amazing thing about permission marketing is that it is free for a permission marketer to get in front of their audience and to communicate with them. While if someone were to run ads, that is very expensive, because every time you need to get in front of your audience, you have to now run an ad to get in front of their audience. That is expensive, right? So frequency of communication that builds trust is really cheap for permission marketers once you have someone's email address and you can connect with them. Compare that to someone who's running ads constantly. For them, it's really expensive. So permission marketing is very powerful because you're able to communicate with your prospects very frequently. Now, let me just explain to you, with the example of 2000 books. This is content delivered to you again and again because you have given us the permission for it, whether you've subscribed to our YouTube channel or our podcast or our email newsletter or the 4-book Fridays, whatever it is. It's all permission that you have given to learn from us. So your journey at 2000 books might have been, you initially became aware of 2000 books, YouTube videos or podcasts. A friend shared it with you, or you found it via search, or it popped up on your YouTube, or it showed up in your podcast feed as a search. And then once you started watching or listening to these episodes, you watched more of our videos, more educational videos, more book summaries. You listen to more podcast episodes. Maybe you signed up for our email list because I was giving away something for free on our email. And as a result, now you get our 4-book Fridays, where I share 4 great ideas from 4 great books every Friday. And as that happened, over time, you build familiarity with 2000 books. With that repeated exposure to our content, you build familiarity, and over time that builds trust. And at some point, you decide to buy from us. You become a customer. You buy one of our book summary packs. Maybe you buy the mental toughness pack, or the social skills pack, or the marketing pack, or the entrepreneurship pack, or the productivity pack, or the goal achievement pack, or the success mindset pack, and so on and so forth. Like so many different book summary packs that you can buy from us. Maybe you buy one of those, or maybe you become a coaching client of mine. You think you trust me to be able to help you build your online business, and you decide to sign up for my coaching. So all of these are possible. Why? Because I was able to educate you. And why was I able to educate you? Because you gave me the permission to market to you. And how did that happen? Because you signed up for our YouTube channel, for our podcast, or for our email newsletter. Either of those got you to believe in us. And that's how it evolves with every business. All of this marketing that we did was for free because it was permission marketing. You see, a lot of people think that trust is a one-time event, but trust is actually built over time with awareness, with familiarity, and with trust. And this is a very well-known marketing idea that a prospect needs to be exposed to your business, even your offer, 7 times before they buy. And permission marketing makes it really easy and possible because you really are able to get in front of them very quickly and make that, you're able to get in front of them quickly and repeatedly for free. So that's, overall how frequency plays into building trust with your audience using the power of permission marketing. The second component of building trust in your marketing, building trust with your audience using the power of permission marketing, is education. With permission marketing, you are able to educate your audience about the topic you are interested in, about the topic of your business. And as you educate your leads about a topic more frequently, you are seen as the authority, and their level of trust in your business goes up and up and up. For example, 2000 books. Again, I want to give the example of what we do here. We educate you about specific topics. Right now, as you're watching this video, I'm educating you about marketing. I'm educating you about the fundamentals of online marketing in some ways. And as I educate you, you're going to see me as an authority on that topic, and you're going to see that we do this in our book summaries. So you might be interested in getting those. I'm showing you exactly how we're applying these principles in our business and what results we're getting. And that repeated education leads to trust. And as a result of trust, maybe you buy one of our products, maybe you buy all of our products, maybe you refer a friend to our products, maybe you sign up for our coaching, whatever it might be. This education is what is allowing you to become, to increase your trust with 2000 books, and as a result, become a customer with 2000 books. Okay, the third component of building trust with in your marketplace using the power of permission marketing is telling your story, sharing your story. Your story will build trust with your audience. Let me give you the example of 2000 books again. A lot of you may know some parts of my story, that I used to be a computer engineer. I used to be a physicist. I used to manage billion-dollar cell phone projects. I gave up all of that to start 2000 books back in 2015. And you might know that you may know a lot of different parts of the story because I shared those over time again and again and again. And you may have heard my stories about how we have grown 2000 books, the different strategies we have used to grow 2000 books, all the different things that happened behind the scenes of my life or of 2000 books. And all these different stories lead you to trust, which allow you to buy promise. So as a permission marketer, you have to share your story, you have to share your journey with your audience in order for them to be able to build trust with your audience. So remember, there are three components of building trust in your marketing: frequency, education, and story. Make sure you get all of these three right in order to grow your business. So if you're an entrepreneur, I have a special Black Friday deal for you on our Business Builders Pack. Now, what's the Business Builders Pack? Literally, it is actionable knowledge from the 100 greatest books on starting, growing, and scaling your business. Whether it's about finding your idea, starting the business, entrepreneurial mindset, business systems, business strategy, lifestyle entrepreneurship, management, scaling, billionaire biographies, marketing, all those books. Every book, I've broken it down to very specific ideas that you can apply. And you can check out the videos by going to 2000books.com/business. And if you are interested in the Black Friday deal, let me tell you about it. By the way, check out some of the books. These are the greatest books I have ever read on building a business, starting, growing, and building a business. And these are all summarized in the Business Builders Pack. Books on ideation, on strategy, on innovation, books on systems, on execution, on teams, on scaling your business, on billion-dollar business lessons, on lifestyle entrepreneurship, on entrepreneurial mindset, on management, on pricing, on business models, on advertising. These are all, not only are these books, not only have I summarized the entrepreneurship books, but also marketing books, advertising, branding, copywriting, direct response marketing fundamentals, marketing strategy, systems, automation, online, social media marketing, growth hacking, everything you can think of when it comes to starting and growing your online business and scaling it. So what's included in this Business Builders Pack is my entrepreneurship book summary pack, which is valued at $79, my marketing and branding book summary pack, which sells right now online for $79. Not only that, I have the live masterclass where I will come together with one of my friends and we'll teach you how to build a content marketing business. It's called Content Marketing Millions Masterclass, valued at $99. Another live masterclass that I'll be teaching is how to put together 6-figure affiliate deals. That's a masterclass valued at $99. YouTube Cash Machine, another masterclass I'll be teaching live at $99. And 6-figure email marketing masterclass valued at $99. All of this is included in the Business Builders Pack, 2000books.com/business. And not only that, the best part about all of this is I'm giving you 1 year membership into the Business Builders Book Club, 12 months, which is $29 a month. So the total price of that is $348. This is where you come together. It's not really effective when you are reading these books in isolation. What you really need is to come together with other like-minded entrepreneurs to be able to discuss these ideas so that you can really apply them. You can develop what's called high-order thinking skills. Low-order thinking skills are acquired through reading and just trying to remember, highlight a book, read a book, remember the book. But high-order thinking skills are derived, or you build high order thinking skills when you analyze the ideas with other teams, with other people. You discuss these ideas, you evaluate these ideas with other people, you discuss, and then you create something out of it. That's why I put together this Business Builders Book Club, so you can come together with other entrepreneurs to talk about these books. Jeff Bezos literally runs his own executive book club at Amazon, where he discusses great books with his other executives. And that's why I want this book club for you guys. It's not normally $29 a month, $348 a year. So all of this combined is in this Business Builders Pack. Total value of the book summaries and the master classes and the 1 year of book club is $902. But for Black Friday, just enter the coupon code BF2020, Black Friday 2020, that is BF2020, to get a huge discount on this. Go to 2000books.com/business and get this $902 in value for a great discount. Just enter the coupon code BF2020. That's Black Friday deal that I'm offering right now. The deal will go away soon, so go ahead and grab it. All right, guys. See you inside the book club. See you inside the Business Builders Pack. And I look forward to helping you grow your business.